All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports, right here on the YouTube channel. All right, guys, 2005 Ford F250 6.0 Power Stroke. I don't want to hear no negative shit. These things are junk. Actually, I mean, everybody's got their preference. People either really love them or hate them. Let me go over this truck in depth real quick. 05, 137,000 miles, bone stock. So this is a stock truck, stock head studs. It is full exhaust. Everything else, no deletes or anything. This truck runs its ass off, light tunes. Currently, like I said, stock head bolts. However, I am a full service shop over here at Deluxe Motorsports, gas or diesel. For anybody that's particular that wants head studs right now, I will upgrade this truck for $3,500, full head job, heads resurfaced, OEM gasket, OEM oil cooler. We do it the right way. But if you buy the truck from me, I'll do the upgrade for $3,500, which is dirt cheap. Probably half as much as you get anywhere else. Anyway, 136,000 miles. Look at the body lines on this truck. Absolute gorgeous shape. The body's in really, really good shape. One little small ding right there. One little small ding right there. Overall, I would easily rate this truck for the year. It's 21 years old now. I'd say this truck's easily like a 8.5 out of 10. Could it be a little bit nicer? I mean, maybe. A little scratch right there, a little bit of scratch right there. Other than that, look at the body lines. It looks to me like it's been all original. Paint-wise, it doesn't look like there's any aftermarket paint. The frame is still in really good shape. This is not a rusty truck by any means. You got some light surface on some parts because of the age, it being 21 years old. Obviously, you guys can see it has airbags. Very consistent with the year of the truck. So 6.0 Power Stroke, 4-wheel drive. This guy got wild up in here. He hit the damn red springs on her ass. Looks like we did some new front shocks, I believe. Anyway, fully serviced through my service shop, 140-point inspection. Headlights clean, grills clean. Fog lights look pretty new. Hood's in really good shape. If you guys don't know where we're located, right here in Charleston, South Carolina. You guys have any questions, drop a comment in this video. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Show me some love for the 6.0. Excuse me. 6.0s are your friend, man. 6.0s are one of the best trucks you can buy for the money. Amp step rails. This truck is priced to sell too. You guys mentioned this ad on the YouTube, 19 grand. We'll buy this truck right now, today. I'll ship it anywhere in the entire country at wholesale prices. A little bit of wear on, let's see, on the passenger side armrest. A little bit on the passenger side there. The dash is really clean. Wood grain trim on the inside. Bully dog tuner. Like I said, 130,000 miles. This truck needs just a light detail on the interior. It's got a set of RC floor mats. But this truck's in really good shape, man. Inside, outside, dude, I've bought tons of these trucks over the years. I don't stock as many of them because they're a lot harder to finance because of the age. I get people that want to buy these trucks all the time. The unfortunate thing is 21 years old, most banks will not finance them. Leather in the back of the seats, extremely good. But where else can you buy a 130,000 mile diesel that's not a 6.4 piece of shit? Where else can you buy a diesel, you know what I mean, anywhere in the country and own a diesel for 19 grand that only has 130K on it? You know, most trucks that are 130,000 miles, they still demand like mid-20s, upper 20s. And don't get me wrong, I know this truck would sell for a lot more money if it was studded. I may end up doing that on my own and then just pricing it for 4 grand more. I'd prefer not to, just for the simple fact these trucks can run. I mean, I've had stock ones with 250K stock heads. You know, it just depends on what you're doing with it. If you're gonna beat it up and run high HP tunes on it, just let me stud it. If you're just cruising around town and you're just creeping around and you're not doing anything too crazy, I would never be scared of a stock 6.0. Again, 136,000 mile, 2005. I can ship this truck anywhere in the country. If there's more videos you guys want of this truck, anything specific, make sure you guys reach out to us. Drop a comment in this video. I'll be more than happy to respond and answer. And if you guys haven't hit that thumbs up yet, come on, baby. Right here, Deluxe Motorsports, 05, 6.0. And there's nothing better sounding than a freaking tuned and deleted 6.0 in the aspect of exhaust. We'll fire it up. Cold start. Brand new. It's got 2 brand new batteries too. This thing fires right up. Hang on. Which gives you guys a little bit of noise. Sorry, I think you were about just looking on my nostril. Oh shit. Let it prime. It's cold out here today, so this, you know, those power strokes, you gotta let the thing prime for a second. Don't let them glow plugs warm up. But very good sounding truck. It's not overly loud. It's straight 4-inch exhaust. Has a muffler. It sounds good, but you can make it sound even better if you want to run straight exhaust. But look at the carpets. Even the carpets are still super clean. Again, if you guys are in the market, make sure you guys reach out to us right here, Deluxe Motorsports. Give us a call, 843-697-7501. I'll be more than happy to get you guys more information on this truck or any other lifter truck that we have for sale. We are full sales, parts, and service. So if you're local, my returning service guys that buy trucks from us get to service their diesel truck, $125 an hour. Gas motor trucks that I sell, $100 an hour. You guys get awesome deals on anything aftermarket or even OEM Ford. So reach out to us direct. Again, call us at the shop, 843-697-7501.